welcome back to another video. So I just now got a new fidget spinner. Oh, and now you guys can't see me that good. I'm at the Giants. I'm at the Giants, and I got a new fidget spinner.
No, it lights up.
How?
It lights up.
How?
It lights up like press on it.
Come on.
Here, let me see it.
In my fidget spinner is a light up one. Comment down below if you can see me. I hope this gets 20,000 K likes.
He's asking for 20,000. Wait, how did you do this?
And I'm in my car. There's Burger King over there. Here, give me.
You
Look.
press on the circle.
Yee!
On the other side, though.
They just spin. They just spin it.
Get some seizures.
Hold on. Get it. Comment down below if you have a fidget spinner. Fidget spinners are not cool anymore. Just want to give you a quick upload. So I'm gonna spin my way out. You know what I mean? Remember, I want to get 2,000 views. Actually, I want to get 10,000 now. But there's a lot of likes now. Hit that right there. Did you gotta do that? See? Did you do it? Okay, no, you did. Thanks. Bye. Peace.